Have you ever sat down to write a cold email and stared at a blank screen for what felt like an eternity? You wanted to sound confident, but not arrogant, personalized, but not awkward. It's persuasive, yet not pushy. Now imagine having a personal copywriter, a behavioral psychologist, and a marketing strategist all merged into one virtual assistant who can craft compelling outreach messages in under 60 seconds. That is exactly what modern artificial intelligence can do for you today. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use AI to write cold emails that not only sound human, but actually get opened, read, and replied to. Emails that land in inboxes, not in spam. Emails that convert curiosity into conversations. Let us begin with a simple truth. Most cold emails fail because they are written with the sender in mind, not the recipient. They open with, "I hope this finds you well," followed by a paragraph that screams, "I copied and pasted this to 500 people." Artificial intelligence can fix that, but only if you know how to use it correctly. The magic is not in the tool, it is in the prompt. For instance, if you ask ChatGPT to write a cold email offering social media services, it will generate something generic and forgettable. But if you provide context such as your target audience, your unique value proposition, and the desired tone, AI can construct a nuanced message that resonates. Let me give you a prompt that works exceptionally well. You are a copywriter skilled in cold outreach. Craft a brief, personalized email for a freelance social media strategist reaching out to restaurant owners in New York City. The goal is to schedule a 15-minute discovery call. Make the tone friendly, confident, and casual. Include a compelling subject line. With that level of direction, ChatGPT will generate an email that sounds authentic, targeted, and most importantly, effective. But writing is just the first part. The true power of AI is in testing and refining. You can ask it to rewrite the email in multiple tones. Friendly but professional, data-driven and concise, quirky and creative. This allows you to A/B test subject lines and openings to see what actually works with your audience. Now let us take it further. If you are doing outbound sales or lead generation at scale, tools like Lavender AI or SmartWriter integrate with your inbox and automate personalization. They scrape publicly available data like someone's LinkedIn or website to insert genuine compliments or mutual connections into your cold outreach. So instead of, "Hi John, I help businesses grow on LinkedIn," you get, "Hi John, I read your recent interview on Restaurant Weekly about reimagining local dining, brilliant perspective on seasonal menus." That is the difference between being ignored and being remembered. Of course, you need to respect boundaries. Always provide an opt-out, avoid manipulative language, and never buy sketchy email lists. Now, if you are a freelancer or solo entrepreneur, let me tell you exactly how to use this. First, define your niche and the problem you solve. Second, use AI to generate 3 to 5 email templates with different angles. Third, personalize the opening line using public data. AI can assist with this too. Fourth, use tools like Mailmeteor or Instantly to schedule and automate your sends. And fifth, track your open rates. Tweak your subject lines and repeat. This approach is not theory. I have used it myself. Within 1 week of applying these strategies, I booked 3 client calls and reconnected with 5 dormant leads, all without spending a single cent on ads. All thanks to thoughtfully crafted AI-assisted emails. Let me be absolutely clear. AI will not do all the work for you, but it will remove the most painful part starting. It eliminates writer's block, gives you structure, tone, and clarity. It allows you to test ideas faster than ever before. If you are not using AI to write your cold emails in 2025, you are not just falling behind, you are leaving money on the table. So whether you are looking for freelance clients, pitching your product, or networking for a job opportunity, let AI help you communicate more intelligently, more efficiently, and more persuasively. Subscribe to this channel if you want more practical ways to turn bytes into bank. And before you hit send on your next email, ask yourself, did you write it? Or did your AI copywriter just get you one step closer to your next big opportunity? Thank you for watching.